Okay, we're live. Should be at least. Let me make sure everything's working. That looks good. It's been a while. Let's see. Chat's not working. Hold on. Continue with Google. That's annoying. Let me get the chat window back. Hey Pratam, how's it going? Let me fix the chat window. Actually, I can see it on the stream now, so this is fine. There's going to be a little bit more of a delay, though, if I don't have a separate window. There we go. Now I've got it. Perfect. So I'll talk about everything that happened at NeurIPS in a bit once the stream warms up. Because I've been gone a while, and I'm probably still going to be out for a few more days over the holidays. Is the audio and everything good? I messed with the setup a little bit. Oops, come on. Couple terminals. And I'll move this browser. Hi, are you going to be on Twitch and YouTube as well? I should already be live there. If I'm not, let me know. Am I like peeking out on the microphone? Hold on, I think I need to add a compressor to this. Yeah, because I moved the mic. Hold on. Test. Okay. Well, let me know if the default compressor is any good. But yeah, I should be live right now on X, YouTube, and Twitch. Mic sounds good? Okay, perfect. I moved it. I finally got a cable for it, so it's actually in the shot right now, so let's fix that. Yeah. And I've got to like do something with this camera because I'm kind of stuck in this little box here. I should have gotten a wider green screen, but whatever. We'll upgrade this setup since I'm going to be back streaming a lot now. Really, mostly starting in the new year, or at least after Christmas. But apparently, I broke a whole bunch of stuff with the release, and I also have a ton of new people on the Discord that have made new environments for PufferLib. So that's pretty cool. The goal for today is just going to be to fix anything that's jank with the release and start onboarding some people. I'll talk a little bit about what I did at NeurIPS and some cool new stuff we've got planned for Puffer. But yeah, it's going to be very, very exciting, at least starting in the new year, if not before. So, first of all, I don't think I changed anything while I was away at NeurIPS. NeurIPS was really busy. I was hoping I was going to be able to fix some stuff remote, yeah, but I didn't. That's fine. Now, people were telling me like the container doesn't work or something, which that would be very weird. Believable though. Cool. That made Blastar. The background noise is not coming through on the mic now, right? Hope not. Okay, there's a whole bunch of stuff to catch up on here. I I think that the initial thing I was told is that I just had it pointed to the wrong container and that there were a few issues with setup tools. So go to the docs here. Okay, so apparently I just messed up the Docker file, which is kind of weird. Because if people are getting the instructions off the website, I am on 2.0. Did I remember to update the Docker to 2.0 though? I might have not updated the default branch. That's like a common screw up with mine. For tank. Ah, I am dumb. So yeah, that was just really stupid. Do I not have a 2.0 branch? I should have a 2.0 branch. Oh, I never pushed it. Well, that will do it. Oh my god, I don't know how I messed that up. There's always something just stupid that you forget, you know? And this is the thing that sucks about having to go straight from a release to a conference, is like, this only takes me a few minutes to figure out what I've done, but that's like when I'm fresh and rested and not thinking about a million conference things. Like I could very easily like be spinning my wheels not knowing why stuff doesn't work, like trying to do stuff on my old laptop remote. To be fair, I could have probably fixed this like earlier on Monday or something. I didn't know it was going to be this dumb. I thought it was going to be something harder. This all looks fine. Yep, this is what I expected. Buffer depths. Tank. Buffer file. And yep, you can see here we've got 2.0. Tank. Dot dot. 2.0 tank. Tank. 2.0. Apparently I didn't do the, I don't have my credentials cached. You can find that one line. I always have to Stack Overflow this. I should just remember this. I always use this thing. And let me go get myself a new token. Not on the stream window, obviously. And then the puffer tank thing will work. So technically the puffer tank container was uploaded. You just had to point to it manually, but I forgot to upload the base Docker file. So I had the image, but not the container. My bad. I will fix that right now. It's really awesome just to see the amount of stuff that people are doing though in the repo. Oh, by the way, 1.4. Uh, oh yeah, for folks watching, if you haven't started the repository, please go ahead and start the repository. You know, it makes me very sad that we were kind of like the fastest growing RL project of the year, and then somebody comes in and lies about their performance numbers by a factor of like at least 10, and then this happens. So give me a star for Christmas, please. Helps us a lot. Let me get the key. I'll tell you what, you start the repository and I'll get you a working container right now. I really don't know how I messed that up. I just like straight up forgot to commit. Just straight up forgot to commit. Actually, do I have one of these already? I might actually have a token already. Oops. Oh, don't have one. I gotta get a new token. So we'll fix this, and then I think that there might be something with setup tools with the packaging. But the thing is, when I fix that, everything will just work. It's very funny though, like as soon as I go, people start like, as soon as I'm out for a few days, people start submitting like crazy things. So like, I think people thought that like I had to rename every single, people thought that like I had to rename every single function or something. Like literally they thought that I had to rename every single function in all the new environments so that the names wouldn't conflict or something. I don't know where this came up with, so like, yeah, I'm not gonna mess up that badly, guys. If anything, like I'm not gonna submit code that's fundamentally broken. At the most, I'll have like forgotten to check in a specific like file or something, or I'll have like added a bad build system. Okay, so now this should work. Boom. Now we go make this the default branch, and we will be good. And I will test it as well before I go tweet it. Off. Very good. There we go. So now, I think we'll do a clean build of this, or a clean version of this, just to make sure that you guys actually have everything really easy out of the box. We're going to name this Puffer Test. Docker command not found. Oh, well, that's because I'm in the container. Bind is already... that's no big deal. I'm just going to install Vim on this because... no, we'll do this. Because... yeah, this port... oh, I thought that I had... ah, okay, already exists. No, I can just stop the previous container. That's going to be easier. So we'll make sure that this works. Maybe I'll tell some NERP stories, we'll see. Maybe I'll get some people onboarded. There's still a few lingering things that I've got to deal with, so I'll have to get up for like 10 minutes in the bed. But... Okay, so PufferLib, branch status. What's the latest? Okay, so the container has the right version on it. Let's see, puffer snake, mode, frame, back native. Works perfectly. Okay, so I'm not an idiot, I just had the wrong, people were just using the wrong container. Because, well, my fault, but... So, you can see here, this is over 1,000,000 steps per second training. I don't know if this GPU utilization is right. Technically, we could get this double speed if it is. But yeah. How's Mug V10? Glad to see you back. Thanks. This is not Mug V10. This is just T. I got sick after NERPs and just had asked for it. I've gotten fat anyways. I'm gonna do a quick, just like a quick 1 week cut a couple pounds of fat. It's pretty damn easy for me to maintain like 1,000 calorie deficit. So cut a couple pounds of fat. I'm down to like 185, 186 pounds now. And then next training block, we're going to see, I'll put some weight back on. Duh. It's not necessarily duh with the amount that I train is the thing. Obviously, I've been out this week sick and then from nerves and stuff, but normally I'm doing between 2 and 3 hours of exercise a day, including, a decent run and some heavy weights. Oh, duh was for the T? I don't know. I don't know what angle you can see. Can you? I guess if I do this, well, the same mug I use. I do highly recommend the mug though. It's a great way to get a ton of protein. It's specifically for people who like train a lot, need to get in calories, and do not have the appetite. That's basically me. There are some people that fit that category, mostly skinny nerds. Okay, so we can, should we just stop this now? Yeah. There's probably some other stuff in that. Container. Actually, I want to work in the clean one. Yeah, let's work in the clean one for a bit. Alright, so what other stuff did people say was broken? I guess if people on stream don't have specific stuff, I'll just start scrolling through here. And, I don't know, I'll tell the NERP stuff when more people are around so I don't have to repeat a bunch of things, but there was some cool stuff that happened with NERPs. I have some fun stories. Oh my gosh, look how many messages I missed. It's great that it's that active. Guys, this is 12:15. Okay, what date did I leave? Because I gotta just go through all the damn messages now. So I left on... I don't think it heated up until... Okay, so I left on like the 10th. Ugh. Okay. We'll see how many new environments there are. And if people are interested in contributing or doing stuff here, just feel free. Ask away. Mostly why I do the streams, is to help people get into this stuff. Almost to the top. Of course, I gotta do general as well. 11 and one more day. Okay. You know what? I'll actually try to get my end working with PufferLib while you're live. Awesome. Yeah, that is the goal here. I'm probably gonna do 2 streams today. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this morning block of stream, and then I'm gonna go get brunch, and then I'm gonna come back and do an afternoon stream. And that's probably gonna be my schedule for a lot of